number 1 and the first cancel. Those two rows together. I'm going to take. I'm going to take R1, and I'm going to add that into where R3 is. And so R1's not going to change. R2 definitely will not change. But R3, 1 plus -1 and get 0. -1 plus 2 and get 1. I'm going to add 2 plus -3 and get negative. And I'm going to add -3 plus 7 and get 4. Bottom row. What I'm going to do is switch R3 is going to switch with R2. So it's going to, I'm going to keep, one's going to stay the same. Row 2 is now going to look like this. And row 3 is now going to have that leading 2 in the front. Okay. So what I like here is I'm going to use this one and so my next move is going to be -2 times R1 plus R3. So R1 doesn't change. R2 doesn't change. When I add it to 2, that's added to 1, that's 3. Or added to -1 is -5. -2 times 3 is 6. Added to 0 is 6. Okay. So that is it's a little different. I've got 0 here and I've got 0 here. I need to so I want to cancel out this, and I'm going to use row 2. So now, which means I'm going to have to multiply -3 and add it to what I have down there. So row 1 did not change. Row 2 does not change. Row 2 is just the tool I'm using. It's not a part of the, it's not changing. Times 0 plus 0 plus +3 is 0. -5 is -2. 6 is -6. We've got zeros where we need them. We just need to get that. We can one leading on each row. So in order to finish this off, I'm just going to take half of R3 to get it to be -1. Make it -half. Row 1 doesn't change. Row 2 doesn't change. Row 3 changes. This right here is one form. It's great, but The better version, the second row right here. So I'm going to use my third row. What do you want to take? Whoa, take R3 and add it to R2. Row does not change. Next row changes. 0. The 0 plus 1 is negative 1 plus 1 is 0. 3 plus 4. The bottom row did not change. On the top one, add R2 plus R1 to try and cancel. Cancel here. R1. Here we go. Rows 2 and 3 are good, so they better not change. Sorry, that sounds like a little fiery. Top row, 0 plus 1 is negative 1 plus positive 1 is 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. 7 plus 3 is 4. We are so close we can taste the finish line, which means negative 2R3 added on to R1. Row 2 and row 3, once they're in that form, we're good. We're golden. We are not needing to work harder than we want to. But let's finish up. We've got a 1. Because 1 2 plus 2 plus 4 is negative 2. Phew.